Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out this new hype. Like it's kind of done died down a little bit, but I didn't forget about it. I didn't want to order this item online, so I had to wait till Ulta got it, and then I just got lucky because they had one shade left of the colors that I wanted to try. So it is the new Makeup Revolution Conceal in Define. I've heard really good things about this concealer, so today I'm gonna give it a try. Like we about to have some fun. So what I'm gonna do is I already got my base on and everything. So I'm gonna put it on, try it out. In order for me to try it out, I have to give it a couple hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna go to work, and then I'll come back later and give you my thoughts. Maybe I'll do a couple check-ins here and there. If not, then I'll just give you my thoughts later when I come back home from work, which is about 6 to 7 hours. So yeah, if you would like to see how this new Makeup Revolution concealer works, then please just keep on watching. So the colors that I bought was C12 and C13. I picked C12 because C12 was kind of light, but C13 was not light enough. So I was like, okay, I'll just get both or whatever. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, what both of them look like on my hand when I swatch it. And they have a lot of color shades in this concealer also. I think it was 18. It was 18 at the store. I saw it stop at C18, and C18 went pretty dark. Like, I think if I would have used this concealer for contour, I would have been like C13. C like 15. C15 or C16. And they go all the way to C18. So I was just like, wow, that's really nice. But this is what the colors look like on my hand. You see, like, the top one is C13, which is really close to my shade. And then the bottom one is a little bit lighter. So I had the idea that I was going to mix it or something. I don't know. I'm just going to put it on my face and see. And then to blend it out, I'm going to be using a damp Morphe sponge. So let's just go ahead and look at the applicator. I love when they have applicators like this. The only thing that sucks is if you're like a makeup artist, so you have to figure out how you're going to keep it sanitized. Oh my god, the applicator feels so good. Like, it's so smooth going on. The applicator is so soft. Some people were saying this is compared to Sharp Tarte Shape Tape, but I didn't even get that one to try because I just did not want to spend the money on concealers. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not like super into makeup enough to be going and spend that much money on makeup. So I didn't buy it. Y'all, my life has just been crazy. Like, I have like 2 or 3 pre-edited videos that I haven't posted. I didn't post on Wednesday. I'm gonna try to get a video up on Sunday. School has been kicking my butt. It's just been crazy. So I'm taking C12 now and putting it on top of C13 to kind of get more lightness. Okay, now I'm just letting that sit a little bit. Jackie Ina taught me the trick of letting your concealer sit a little bit so it can like really get into the skin. So I let my concealer sit a little bit most of the time. So I'm gonna let that sit a little bit and then I'm gonna blend it out. I swear, every time I'm waiting for something, I always think about that song by Black Youngster, Booty. That big old booty. Touch that booty. And if you wonder how I got my hair like this, there will be a tutorial up before this video of how I got this hairstyle. I've done this hairstyle before, but I always forget to record it for you guys. And the last one I recorded was like so long ago when it was my first time doing the hairstyle. I've gotten way better at it since then. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend this out. It is blending out super easy so far. Actually, this is the out of all my concealers I've blended before, this actually has been the easiest blend ever, actually. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I bought C12 because C13 would have been my exact skin tone, which I didn't want to happen. Okay, come through. And I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and set that because my under eyes crease really fast. I found my freaking, oh, where is it? Oh, here it goes. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder that I always use to go ahead and set that. And I don't bake, I just push it into my skin kinda. I swear, I'd always be about to be late to work trying to record videos. Like right now. I should be out of my house right now. I blow the excess off to try to get an even layer of it so it won't be all clumpy. And so I'm going to do the rest of my face. And yeah. Guys, that I had bought the Molten Gold Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I took it back. I wasn't really feeling it. It started to give off that ashy look. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it was for me personally. I feel like it would have worked on somebody that was lighter skinned than me. So I took it back. That was the only thing I took back from my Ulta haul video. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Okay guys, so I finished my full face. I'm gonna head on to work because I'm about to be late, and then I will be back. Hopefully I remember. I'm gonna set it along my phone to come back and finish. Hey you guys, I'm currently at work and it has been 3 hours exactly since I put on this concealer, and so far so good. It's creasing right here, but my eyes under right here, I always have that natural crease. It doesn't matter what concealer I've been wearing. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like right now. I'm not gonna say nothing yet about it. You gotta wait till the end. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick check-in to show y'all how I'm looking. I'm looking cute. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hey you guys, I am back 6 hours later, and this is what my face is looking like. This is what my concealer is looking like. It still looks flawless to me. Ignore my freaking shirt because I got lipstick on it. Just ignore all of this down below. Yeah, so this is what my face looking like though. Hey you guys. So I am back for my final thoughts on this Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm gonna go over everything that it claimed to do, and then I'll just go through each one and tell you guys how I personally feel about it and how it worked for me. So it says Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define is full coverage, conceal and contour, is designed for long-lasting coverage. Define your look with blendable formulation. That's all it says. So the first thing it said was full coverage. I'm not gonna say it's full coverage. It's like medium buildable, if you kind of get what I mean. Like if you put enough on there, yes, it will be full coverage. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a yes and no for the full coverage, but definitely like it concealed under my eyes more than any other concealer that I have tried out. So I will say that. And also before, I would have like my dark circles kind of still showing when I would put any other concealer on, but this one, it was full. Like it still looks good. Even right now my makeup still looks decent. So yeah, definitely it is definitely nice. I definitely mentioned how it was blendable. It was super easy to blend, like the easiest concealer that I've ever blended. It's gonna have to go on the list up there with my Wet n Wild concealer. It's gonna have to go up there on the list with my Wet n Wild. Actually, it's gonna be better than my Wet n Wild. Like this is probably my top concealer right now, and I'm definitely gonna keep using it. I'm definitely gonna try the darker shades, since I did just read that you can use it to contour with. And yeah, if you guys haven't tried it out, go try it out. Like it might be knocking some of these high-end brand concealers off the market. If you have tried it out, let me know what you guys think. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks you guys for watching. As always, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.